guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing something a little different. I was thinking on starting a series on like trending makeup looks. I was thinking about starting like a series titled like Trying the Trend or Ari Tries the Trend. I don't know, I'll think about it, but I wanted to start a series where I pretty much just create any look on Instagram that seems to be trending, that all the makeup artists are, you know, creating looks inspired by the original artist. So let's just get started. So for this look that I'm going to be inspired by for the trend, you know, if you're on Instagram and you follow like makeup artists and stuff, I'm sure you've seen like this whole cloud makeup trend flowing around all over Instagram. Everybody's like inspired by this one girl who her Instagram name is Makeup by Gusta FSS on. I don't really know if that's how you say her name because I don't really know how to pronounce it, but her name's Michelle, and she created this whole look with like a sunset and she puts like clouds around it, and it looks like so freaking gorgeous. So I wouldn't say it went viral, but I would say it became a trend in the beauty community because I've seen a lot of makeup looks with this whole cloud inspired look. And so I wanted to try it out for myself and see how I can do it. As you can see, this is the picture. That's the picture that everybody is inspired by, and everybody is doing looks about it. Well, let me show you another picture for like from a different color scheme. Here's another one that I thought was beautiful, and she was inspired by the same girl, Michelle, and it's just beautiful, and I want to just try it out for myself. It's probably going to be a challenge because I've never done any creative type of eye art like that, but I just really want to do it. It looks like it's hard to do, but it looks like I could do it just by looking at it. So let's just get on with this video and see if I can pull off this trend. But first, before I get started, make sure you are subscribed. You can see right here the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys, because I am having a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers, so you can't just miss out on free makeup. Like, it's simple. Just subscribe and you are automatically entered into my future 1K giveaway. Also turn on the notification bell so that reminds you on any videos that I upload. So yes, let's just get into this video. Okay, to start off, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Porcelain. And I'm taking such a light shade because I want this look to be nice and bright. Alright, since I am all done with priming my eyes, and I did not set the concealer because setting the concealer makes it more dry and it makes the shadows less pigmented. So I learned that when you don't set your concealer, it makes the shadows pop more. So I'm just not setting my concealer. It's a nice tacky base so I can give my shadow something to stick to. So moving on, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to take that light pink shade in the palette. And I'm taking that with a nice regular crease brush. And I got this from Amazon. And I'm going to like form a circle shape because this is going to be like one of those semicircle cut creases. So I'm going to like form the transition colors into a circle shape. Alright, next up I'm going to take this darkish purple shade and I'm going to apply that right below my first transition. And I'm applying that with a Morphe M330 brush. Now since I'm done blending out both eyes, I'm going to go ahead and move on to this royal bluish purple shade from the palette, and I'm going to pop that into my crease for my third and final transition color. I'm taking that on the BeBella Cosmetics Crease Blender. This is the 113 brush. Alright, since that's all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. So I'm going to take the same Porcelain LA Girl Pro Conceal color, and I'm going to cut my crease with that. I'm just going to take a little bit and apply it to my lids, and then look up right and left. And that kind of like left a mark where it helps me guide out where I want to cut. So And then I'm going to switch over to my new Makeup Shack T72 brush, and I'm going to see how this works. I did feature this in my last video, my huge makeup haul, and I'm just going to use this to cut my crease to see how this type of concealer brush works. This brush does really help with like precision and stuff, so I do really recommend it. Alright, so since I am done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much in the picture, I'm gonna like pop it up right here so you can like tell what I'm talking about. But in the picture, instead of having the lid shades be vertical, they are horizontal, and they like, it's kind of like the same as your transition color layout. It kind of goes like circular across the lid, and that's what everybody's pretty much doing, is they're just creating like a horizontal lid shade, and they're like stacking it on top of each other, pretty much the same colors that you put on your transition. If you know what I mean, you can pretty much see what's in the picture. That's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna like stack it on horizontally instead of vertically. I always do like vertical lid shades, but I'm gonna like do my first horizontal lid shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that first pink shade that I took in my transition color, and I'm gonna pop that onto my lids. Okay, now I'm going to take that purple shade that I popped into my second transition color, and I'm just going to apply that right below the pink. I'm using the BeBella Cosmetics RG221 brush. Alright, so since that's done with, I'm going to go ahead and take the blue shade that I took for my final transition shade. I'm going to pop that right to the lowest part of my lid. Alright guys, so since I'm all done with all that, it is time to move on to the main part of this whole entire look. It is time to do the clouds, and I've never ever in my life done this before. I've never done anything so creative, something so like eye art. I never done eye art before. So this is going to be my first attempt at drawing clouds onto my eyes, so bear with me if I end up making it look a little sloppy because, like I said, it's my first time, so hopefully I do good. Let's just move on with this. So I'm going to take the same LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain, and I'm actually going to use this paintbrush, this artist paintbrush, not even a makeup brush. This is a paintbrush that you use to paint on a canvas, and I'm going to use this to draw out the clouds. So I'm just going to take a little bit, just a little teensy bit, and apply that to the paintbrush, and I'm going to start sketching out my clouds. So I'm going to apply some like right here. In the picture, it seems like they have it like faded down, so I'm not gonna like fill in the clouds or anything. I'm just gonna slightly go downwards as if it's gonna like fade out into a gradient effect. I'm gonna actually speed through this whole cloud process because I don't want to spend hours, you know, doing just one thing, so enjoy the speed through. Alright guys, so since I am complete with this eye, I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera because this video will end up taking like 2 hours. Alright, so I am all done with the clouds, and honestly, I feel like I did a decent job. Like, I'm serious, I'm not lying. I feel like for my first attempt at this, I did a decent job. This eye might be a little rough, but I really do like how this eye turned out. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up the shadow so it doesn't look so messy, but guys, I don't know, I feel like I aced this whole thing. I'm gonna go ahead and add some like little details. So I'm gonna take my NYX white liner and I am gonna go ahead and draw some little details out, like little mini dots and stars and stuff, just to add some more dimension. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do my face makeup off camera because this, you know, it's pretty much based on the cloudy look. So in a snap of a finger, I'll be right back with my face makeup on. Okay guys, so I have my face makeup on. I know the highlight is probably a little too blinding. I kind of went ham on the highlight, but excuse that. This is about the eyes. But we're still not even done with the eyes. I still have to do the inner corner, the lower lash line, and all that, so, and the lashes. So let's just move on. So we're gonna do the lower lash line first, and in the picture, I'm gonna have it right here. It's pretty much just the same thing as what you have on your transition color. So you do the pink and then the purple on the next to your waterline. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the same exact shades that I was using. I'm just going to pop those into my lower lash line. I'm gonna take my new brush that I featured in my recent haul. I'm gonna take the Shack T49, and I am going to take the dark purple shade, and I'm going to pop that into my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take the Shack T49, and I'm gonna take the light pink shade that I used for my very first transition color, and I'm going to pop that right below it. I am going to use the Glitzmetics glitter. This is the pink glitter that they have, and I featured this one in my haul as well. And I'm going to pop this into my inner corners. But first I'm going to take the new NYX Glitter Glue that I got. I'm obsessed with this packaging, guys. But I'm going to take the glue, and I'm just going to apply that with this little lip applicator. Yes, it's a lip applicator, but I'm going to use it to apply the glue to my inner corners. This is what it looks like outside the packaging. Still pretty. In fact, this is like even prettier. Wow. I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the glue to my inner corners. And then I'm going to take some glitter and I'm going to apply that to my inner corners. I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other eye. We are officially done with the eye makeup, so we're going to go ahead and apply lashes. So this is officially the completed eye look, guys. Like, this is the completed eye look, so all we have to do is lips. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Karity Liplock liquid lipstick in the shade Soho, and I'm going to stick with the whole purple pink theme. So I'm going to just do my lips with this cute purple shade. Okay, so there you guys have it. This is the completed look. I feel like I pretty much aced this whole cloudy look trend. So yes, this is definitely going to become a series of mine where I create, you know, trending makeup looks on Instagram that seem to be trending and going viral, and a bunch of people are recreating the look. So leave some suggestions on some other trending makeup looks you would like me to recreate, or like spin my own version of it. Just let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing some more of these trending makeup looks to do for my series. But anyways, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to get 650 subscribers by the end of this month. I believe we can do it. I know we can. Also, like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below again what trending makeup look you would like to see from me. Also leave some other suggestions that have nothing to do with this whole series. I'm open to suggestions. I obviously want to make videos that you guys are interested in. So yes, leave a comment in general. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. Make sure you are subscribed. Again, like I mentioned earlier, I am having a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers, so you don't want to miss out on a chance to win free stuff. So I suggest that you subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. And guys, that is pretty much all I have to say. So again, like, comment, subscribe, get me to 650 subscribers, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Guys, this eye look, I cannot get over it. I cannot get over it. I do not want to take it off. Alright, bye. Alright, so since that is done with, I'm gonna go ahead and take